The new Mazda is as beautiful outside as it is inside. It also features a new 360-degree view monitor that shows the immediate environment around your vehicle on your Mazda Connect infotainment screen. The available Mazda 360-degree view monitor is easily accessible on the driver's side lower dash and includes a camera system that covers all 4 sides of the vehicle and front and rear parking sensors. By using 4 separate cameras, the system can display normal front, wide front, side, normal rear, wide rear, and top-down views of the vehicle. And when navigating tight spaces, the system also includes front and rear parking sensors that will detect the vehicle's proximity to obstacles and sound an increasingly urgent alarm as your vehicle gets closer to them. The 360-degree view monitor helps make the sometimes difficult task of parking a lot less stressful.